Stablecoins are one of the most important building blocks of Web3. In this video, we'll explore what they are, why they exist, and how they support the entire decentralized economy. From payments to DeFi, stablecoins form the backbone of blockchain activity by bringing stability into a volatile environment. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value, usually pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar. They combine the reliability of traditional currency with the speed and openness of blockchain technology. This makes them ideal for everyday transactions, savings, and global transfers. Stablecoins work because they are pegged to assets that anchor their value. This gives them low volatility compared to other cryptocurrencies. Their stability and liquidity make them essential infrastructure for Web3, powering payments, DeFi platforms, and on-chain activity across the ecosystem. There are three main types of stablecoins, each with different trade-offs. Fiat-backed coins like USDT and USDC hold real currency reserves. Crypto-backed coins like DAI use over-collateralized digital assets. And algorithmic stablecoins rely on supply and demand mechanisms, though they carry more risk. Fiat-backed stablecoins provide the strongest price stability but require trust in centralized issuers. Crypto-backed stablecoins offer decentralization with the cost of needing larger collateral. Algorithmic stablecoins attempt to maintain their peg through token economics, but some models have failed dramatically. Stablecoins make it easy to move between fiat and crypto without exposure to volatility. They act as a secure store of value during market downturns and serve as the primary trading pair for most crypto assets. Their speed and low fees also make them ideal for everyday payments and global money transfers. In practice, stablecoins power DeFi platforms like Aave, Compound, and decentralized exchanges. They enable cross-border transactions, remittances, and business payments with near-instant settlement. Freelancers, merchants, and global teams also use them to avoid conversion fees and delays. Despite their usefulness, stablecoins come with risks. Depegging can occur during market stress or due to weak collateral. Centralized issuers can freeze funds or face regulatory issues. And around the world, governments are increasing their scrutiny of stablecoins as they grow in adoption. The stablecoin ecosystem is evolving quickly. Banks are exploring issuing their own digital currencies, while central banks are developing CBDCs. With clearer regulation and better transparency, the next generation of stablecoins will bring deeper integration with traditional finance and global payments.